Z Muse Boots 08. Soft form, strong step. Blush calf leather. Sculpted to feel effortless. The Monochrome Series 2026. Experience the Muse Boot 08. Blush calf leather. Sculpted for effortless movement. Strong step in soft form. The Monochrome Series 2026. Soft form. Strong step. Blush calf leather sculpted to feel effortless. Z Footwear. Fashion that moves you. 2 tones, 1 icon. Color and motion, sculpted white calf leather. The Chroma Series 2026. Z Footwear. Fashion that moves you. Sculpted white calf leather that captures light and movement. The Z emblem illuminates your every step. Z Chroma Boot 14. Fashion. Make your mark with the Vector Boot 05. Sculpted for the city, in black calf leather. Sharp form, fluid step, limited edition. Z Footwear, fashion that moves you. Sharp form, fluid step. Limited edition 2026. Sculpted for the city.
Make an entrance. The Z Ember Boot 13. Precision cut. Effortless power. Precision cut. Effortless power. The Ember Boot 13 from Z.
Introducing the Icon Boot 11. Crafted in black calf leather. Timeless form, modern attitude. The new classic. The Icon Boot 11 redefines elegance. Precision crafted in premium black calf leather. Where timeless form meets modern attitude. Monument Boot 03. Architectural comfort for the city. Modern form, designed to move. Crafted for the city. Refined leather that moves with you. Architectural comfort meets modern form. Z Footwear. Set the direction. The Axis Boot 10. A bolder line for the city. Signal Collection 2026.